I make no money today, man. Bad day, man. Keisha!
What?
You said what? Bring me something to drink.
I don't have nothing to drink. You didn't bring no money inside the house, so ain't nothing to drink.
How come you not inside the house and I know you have some drink for me?
Stay right there and wait.
Yes, I will. Keisha, who take you so long?
I come in. You can't wait.
What the hell are this? It's water again?
Yes, that's water.
Water?
You crazy?
I'm not crazy.
Yes, you look like you
Keisha,
crazy.
I'm not crazy, Keisha.
So what the hell you wet me for?
Because you bring me water.
That's the only thing inside the house. I have Guinness, but that's for me. That is not yours. Because I
How
didn't
come
buy
that
it.
have to be for you? As a man.
You know what? You're talking too much. Give me this cup and you'll get the Guinness.
Wood says. Keisha.
Jackson, wait. Here, see a damn Guinness.
Did you open it?
I can't open it. You have teeth for that.
Keisha, I can give it to you. Anyway, you know what your baby like. You want some?
This man is an old gangster. He won't even take care of his child. I tired of this, you know. I can deal with this problem today. Jackson, bring your lazy hip out here now.
What the hell are you doing here?
Miss, I'm not into no long talking. Where's Jackson?
Miss, you guys come in front of my face. Come in front of my face, King.
You serious?
Dead serious.
Okay, Keisha. Okay, I can deal with you.
You have to bring the whole army to deal with me.
Yes, ma'am.
Where you going?
I'm looking for my baby mother.
What baby mother?
I yes,
I said baby mother too.
I will see my baby
If you
mother.
leave this house today, you get put out and all your clothes to be outside. Go inside.
I don't know about the people, man. I don't know why they take so long to open a hotel, man. So much people need a job, man. And they hear sack. But I know Saxon better than them, babe.
Hi, Daddy, how you doing?
I'm okay, baby.
What you reading?
Not something for a little kid. That's my book.
Daddy, give me $1, please.
You what? I said, I see you come and hug me, Daddy, what you do. Because you just want some money. You always want $1. What you go buy, do? What happened to your finger?
That's mommy calls that she tell me go clean fish.
What? Fish for what?
Cook.
I tell your mommy don't let you deal with fish. Boy, Keisha, I can deal with her. I see how you come and smile and come $1 million. Go get my wallet, baby.
Okay. Daddy, I ain't see a wallet inside.
You don't see my wallet on the job?
No, sir.
Your mommy might hide that. She always try to, try to go dig on my wallet. She hide that to try to find out if I got money in there. Let me see. I always got $5 in my pocket. Alright. Go get something. What you want, ice cream? Buy Valley Pecan. I can get some too. Okay. Maybe this now. That's almost 9 o'clock. I don't see Sibuna yet. Got the time. What's Sibuna is? When she comes in, she have to tell me where she been. That's okay. She have to tell me where she been.
Hey, Daddy.
Hi, Sibuna, where you been?
To the shop.
To the shop. What time you going? Almost 2-3 hours. Where my chain?
Daddy, guess what? Jacob grabbed the rest of your change and gone running.
Jacob, you always bring story that Jacob, you stay all the time, he's asking for all the money. You always do that to me. You just like your man. You don't take for me. You always take for your mama.
Of course I ain't take from you with you and my daddy, because I heard him say you and my daddy.
What?
Sorry, Daddy, please, sorry, I ain't doing it.
Who tell you I'm your father?
People.
Who people?
I don't know.
You don't know people and you listen to what people say? Sibuna, you make me upset, so upset. I take care of you from the baby, now how old are you? You 13, I buy you pampers, I pay school fee, I buy you baby food, I take care of you like your daughter. Now you tell me you're not my daughter. Tell me where you get that from.
I don't know.
Huh? Tell me where you get it from.
I don't know.
Don't cry. Tell me where you get it from.
I don't know.
I say father. Your mommy tell you that?
No, sir.
Don't cry. Come to hug your father. I your father. Don't cry. I your father, okay? Don't cry. I love you. You're my daughter, okay? Don't cry. You're my daughter, okay? I love you. I love you. I always will love you. You're my daughter. I the father for life. Okay? Don't get me your mommy. Separate. You always could be my daughter, okay? Okay, baby. Go sit down. I carry for Wendy's later, okay? Alright, don't cry.
So that's why you is, man. I waiting on you. See how long I waiting on you? And you don't reach here yet?
Like you talking to somebody and you're talking to somebody. What you talking to?
I thought you done gone to work. What you doing here?
Well, wash me to
What time it is?
What
You
time
need
it
to
is?
hurry up, go.
I
It's
go
getting
to
late.
You home, you don't have to wash me to go to work.
This is my eyes. I watch you every time I want.
You don't have to wash me. So what's going on? What's going on for today? You get something going on?
Like what?
I hear you talking about like sea bass. Who's sea bass? Yeah, I was right there in the corner.
Oh, that's the... Yeah, Sabrina Godfather.
Are you talking to me? You're talking to me like you do body give me. Don't show me body language if you know you're talking to me.
Sabrina Godfather. Dummy.
What are you talking about? Sabrina Godfather?
Yes.
Okay, you tell me that then you ask, you know.
It's too slow.
You show me body. Oh, I slow it. If you tell me slow, it will make me thinking different. I will probably tell you. I will tell me I slow.
It's time to work. You never go.
I will wash me to go do it.
Well, that's your business. Stay there, then you get late. That's your business. You get fired, not me.
Something wrong with you, you know. One thing I hear you say, don't say that anymore. I hear you say dummy. Don't ever call me dummy, okay? Anyway, no matter how you are, I still love you. Baby, I go, you know I always love you. I still love you.
Go. Baby, why you ask, man? I wouldn't love you.
Shucks, it ain't on me.
Come on, man. Come on. So what's up? What did you get for me, man? Hold on.
No. That's good work.
No. Can't. Yeah.
So what's up?
How was your day?
My day? My day was good, and yours?
My day was just was thinking about you.
Thinking about me?
Yes.
Yeah,
I
alright.
don't wait till I see you.
Felt it, man, huh? What you got for me?
You know what I get.
Stop, baby, don't stop. Don't stop, don't stop, don't stop.
Stop, man.
Hey, Seabass, man, what's been going on, man?
What up, Jocko?
What's going on, man?
All this good, man.
Don't get no see, man.
This is passing through to see the godchild, man.
Yeah,
So,
man, like she talking about her godfather every day.
Yeah, man, you know how I go.
That's good, man. What we doing, man?
You go out, only you go out, you know.
Yeah, man, thing good on you, man. Yeah, bro.
You know how I go.
Yeah, Keisha. Going on, baby. What you need from me?
I gotta go.
Stopping to you.
Ace, I gotta go, Ace.
Oh, you go, bro?
I gotta go.
Okay.
Take it easy, man.
Okay,
Take it
bro.
easy.
I get that signal I'll be in there.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Man.
Okay.
Hey, you want to take it easy?
Okay, bro. What happened, Keisha? What happened to you, Keisha? Huh? You mess me. You tired? What you do for today? What you do for today? Huh?
I feel very tired. My body is tired.
Your body tired? And I been out and your body tired? What tired with who? Hey baby, don't tell me anything like that, huh?
You sit down, man. You just come from work. You have a
See, we now got father come in there and you so wet leg. What happened?
you nothing.
So that means like you married man because I is not there one. You don't see people come in there as I'm not there. That's what I feel, eh?
Yeah, he come to see his watcher. That's all.
Yeah, so and fact,
I'm just tired. My body
not in
is
fact, not in
tired. I
fact.
can't
Why?
talk.
So you already know he coming here now. You already know?
Yes, I already know.
Oh, that you already know he coming there? No, okay, now different now. That's the reason why you wash me to go away. Now it make me thinking different.
Oh, everything is a good.
Baby, I ain't true. I ain't yet charging you.
Man, leave him, man.
Oh, leave you it.
Go bed or something. We just come from work. She's just like tired. Go
So
bed.
what happened? That like I been do something. Eh? Oh no, what happened? I smell fishy.
You see the fish right here?
Fish right there? You cook fish? You cook any fish?
No.
I smell fishy.
I need some money now.
You need some money now. All you looking for money?
Yes.
Yeah, baby. You know, I got some money. So I got some money. I know you like it. Let's go.
Where you going with you?
Where you go with me?
Child.
And you want some money? Let's go, baby.
Where you going with you?
Keisha, I miss you.
Yes.
Keisha, I say I will go to work every day.
Right now.
I don't have no time to be home with you.
Tired.
Let's go, baby.
Ah, right now, if you have some money, I need some money.
Yeah, Kiki, I get some money. I know I like money. You want some money? I get money. Let's go.
What do you think I am? You think I is type of slut or something?
No, you only I joke with you, you know. You know
That's
my
why
money
they
is your
used to
money.
them little dirty hoes and be fooling with you and stuff like that. That's why I used to be fooling with them.
What dirty word you talking about?
You
know I know this kind of man.
now, you don't get me mad and sick. Tired of you.
You
Just come from my face. Don't touch me.
Don't touch you, Keisha.
Hello? Hey, bro. I need to see you for a moment, please. I'm at the park. Yeah. Thanks.
Getting on test?
Right there, bro. What's up?
Everything cool, man. I get that call, man. So he was in me. What's going on?
It's Jackson. He's been ducking me for the past 3 months. He hasn't given me anything but money.
Man, I tell you, man, some few of these niggas don't making no sense, man. These Jones and niggas staying into nothing. You know, they made things.
Bro, it ain't his fault.
So who fault it is then?
Keisha, that same junglist of his.
What? Keisha? By Keisha Carson can't be giving you what? Niggas them gotta know their responsibility, sis. They gotta know their responsibility. They gotta take their responsibility. You see what I'm saying? Man.
Well, I don't know what to say, man. She done threatened me, hit me in my face with a
What?
hammer.
No,
Yeah,
man,
that's what
sis,
she do.
man.
That's
They do
okay,
what?
that's okay. She threatened to hit me in my face.
No,
so I
man,
don't know when
sis.
I been around there.
Sis, right
I'm
now.
not gonna go back around there no more.
No, man, sis, man. Look, these niggas to me ready to run up in their own say, use my little sister, boy. We talking too long, man. Sis, man. Okay, let's go, man. Let's go deal with this right now. Man, let's go, man. Go. Sis, baby, we got to deal with this vibe right now, baby. You know what I mean? Let's deal with this vibe right now, man. Go. Niggas gonna be joking, man. They ain't gonna be dealing with this. Dealing with this right now. Go ahead, baby. Hold on, Tess, hold on. I got this. Jackson, what are you dealing with, man? Why you take your responsibility, man?
Leave him alone, leave him alone.
What's going on?
Jackson, what's up?
Man,
You haven't given me anything for 3 months now for Lily. What happened?
Jackson, take your child,
What's
man.
going on?
What's going on?
Hey, what's going on? You are not giving me no money for Lily. What happened?
You always be joking,
You
man.
are
You know what I mean?
Listen. Last week I called you. I told you I
You
got
did
some
not
money.
call me last
My
week. You
baby
minding
sister,
people.
my
You
child.
taking
Hold on.
Take your responsibility. It's my baby sister,
When
man.
then you
It's
got
something
it, only me and you now, you bring to your brother.
Yes, because you are not taking care of your child. You ready your mind and Keisha? Keisha didn't bring this word. This
So
baby
much
the
money
word
you want, then I tell you come and I give you some money. Come last week you don't come, eh?
Yeah, but that's a lie. You are not taking care of this. Stop lying.
Baby, wait 3 months, wait.
Hold on, bro.
Hey,
Hold on, bro. You come back inside.
Hey, Jackson, will you grab your dog for me? Ah, you grab your dog for me? Wait, I got to deal with, boy.
You come to fight me?